Yo, this is Leto. I am a Marvel card collector, specifically Spider-Man, as you can tell from the stuff behind me. And recently I stumbled across a box of old vintage 1978 Karuta cards, which are, it's a Japanese card game. I'm not familiar with it, but I was excited to see that the cards inside of this box are still sealed, and I couldn't find pictures of them anywhere on the internet. So for me, it's an opportunity to rip open some packs of unrevealed Spider-Man vintage card art, and thought that'd be fun to share with those of you that care about vintage Japanese Spider-Man cards. And I might be wrong, but this might be the only record of what the cards look like, at least on the internet in the more modern era, outside of somebody's like blog post somewhere that I just couldn't find. So, um, yeah, let's get it. Let's get into it. Let's check out these cards. All right, here we are. Here's the box again. You can see some of the awesome Japanese characters. We saw that it was originally 500 yen. Got sweet spider ride. We got the mech guy. We got the other Japanese Spider-Man villains. I don't know. Maybe they're helpers. I don't know who they are though. And we're gonna bust into this box here. On the inside, there are 4 different stacks of cards. This one has a stack of like art cards, and this one has a stack of art cards, and then these two are, I presume, instructions. Well, maybe they're not instructions, but probably like chance cards in Monopoly, telling you like what move to take next. I will perhaps look into actually how to play this game later on. On the inside, we've got, yeah, like that. Some more instructions, information about the company who printed this. At least that's as much as I got using Google Translate. And just for the sake of making sure that I practice ripping these open right, because it's kind of open at the top and the bottom, and you can actually see that like the cards are in all right shape. The There's some like discoloring at the top and the bottom, like where it was exposed over the years. But then the cards on the inside, I was testing it before I actually opened it up. Before this video, I was testing it out of curiosity. Let's see if I can lock the. There we go, the focus. So it's kind of clean here, so I'm hopeful that the rest of them will be clean. And actually, because I was able to do that, let's cut open the sleeve like this. Practice run before I get into the actual art cards. Breaking the seal on something from 1978. And yeah, like I expected, they were all just more of these. So yeah, no art on these cards, but they look like they're in pretty good shape. Not bad for something that's been sitting in somebody's closet for this. I don't know where they were sitting before. I'm not going to really bother breaking these open here. Probably don't care. It's going to be more of the same. But let's get into these. I don't know if I should start with this guy. Isn't that rad? I'm so excited to see what these look like on the inside. And likewise, these. Let's go with this stack first. Very cool. All right, I'm gonna do what I did before, kind of push the cards up a little bit and then just cut a little piece of the plastic and then rip the rest. All right, here we are, folks. Let's see what Spidey hits we get in here. So that's the first one we already know. Card number 2. We've got Birdman getting hit by the spidey webs. I mean, I love it, not gonna lie. That's amazing. Look at this. So cool. All right, next up. Wow, also rad. She looks like she could be like a modern Marvel character. Any guesses? Any guesses who we're dealing with there? Um, it's like a female Darth Vader meets Emma Frost or something. Um, all right, and whoa, look at this guy. I don't know any of these characters, but they're amazing. This is so cool. All right, we got another actual Spidey here. So, is he on? He's on a ceiling here, right? That's a door. Yeah, it's not. I mean, he could be landing on the floor in a very uncomfortable way, but no, he's this is him crawling across the ceiling. Very cool. Ooh, we got the mask going on or off. You never can tell. Probably makes more sense for it to be going on. Amazing. Look at that. I'm so content with the quality on these. Like these were printed so well. Like centering's not all wonky and everything. Corners are sharp. I asked PSA if they would grade these, and they said that their Karuta expert is like no longer working with them or something. So I need to maybe I can reach back out with this video and show them this is sick. Everyone he's beaten up's got a sword. That's great. Or at least there's swords available. All right, we got a photographer. Kind of a Lois Lane looking lady. Wrong universe. Another Spidey going up the wall. Very cool. This is like a really cool piece of art. I mean, it's super vintage, right? But this is amazing. That's so cool. Can't believe that I mean, I didn't know these things existed before a couple weeks ago. Wow. Okay, 15 meters. Are we talking about his jump? His jump distance? Spidey can jump. Look how far he can jump and punch. Get it. All right, what's happening? Oh, get out. No bullets getting through Spidey. No, I don't think so. Isn't that's a Superman move, right? I mean, don't get me wrong. Like between these last two cards, we've got can leap over a building in a single bound and like deflect bullets. So I think and then there's like the Lois Lane looking lady. Anyway, still cool. Um, Another cool diving acrobatic Spider-Man card. We're not even halfway through. And yes, I want more of these ridiculously awesome bosses, fighters, mean guys, villains. That's the word I was looking for. Oh, they're getting kind of dusty feeling in here. Is it dust? I should be careful about the way I'm not going to slide them. Is that? It totally could be dust. Not sure. This like psycho shower scene for Spider-Man. Still amazing. Still amazing. Amazing Spider-Man. And then we got what is this? I can't this is flying, right? Kind of hard to see through the camera. I'm not used to this, folks. I'm obviously not your beloved YouTube streamer. What? Okay, from my perspective, it's blasting through the air, but these look like they could be more like treads. No, it's got okay. This is flying, so it's clearly a Spider-Man like airship of some kind. Um, because why not? Oh, that's sick. So good, so good. Butt shot. It's still cool. It's a cool action shot. Wow. These are come on. Come on. Who wants to trade for that? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. All right. What do we got here? Ooh. This is I don't know. I'm running out of things to say. I wish that I was streaming with somebody else, but I don't. Yeah, I'm not in the streaming network of Marvel card dudes. They'll share this with you in like the Discord, and you can all respond in there. I don't know what this is. I don't know if I've ever seen Spidey have like a gadget like that on his wrist. I assume it's for his wrist. What else we got here? Batak. But oh, he's punching the Birdman again. Must be one of his great nemesises in Japan, at least in 1978. All right, then we got this like Doctor Doom looking guy again, kind of doomish. Sweet. Then we've got Spidey hunched over, looking serious. Something's happening. Woo! And another villain for you, or who knows? Maybe they're an ally. Who am I to know? We need experts in here. And then, oh, this last card is actually not character art. It's just a circle. Beautiful. All right, that is deck one down. I'll keep running through here. And let's do it again. Slide this open. Hopefully you're enjoying this. If not, it's for the sake of history here. I just wanted the internet to have a record. And hopefully I'm not embarrassing myself too much. Oh, that's fine. I've embarrassed myself enough in life. This is such a cool card. I wish it wasn't on the front because it does have like that discoloration on the top and the bottom. So definitely one of the best ones, but one of the ones in worst condition, at least in terms of like the surface. This guy, this is one of the characters that's on the side of the box. He's got some kind of scissor hands. He kind of looks like a gremlin, and has like a disco ball on his head. Dude, watch out, Spidey. This one, what do we got next? All right, he's doing another kind of like this is a run. Pretty sure this is a running pose. Coming after the bad guys. What? Two Birdmen. Maybe it's like foot soldiers and like Ninja Turtles, but they're birds, huh? And they got their blades out, ready to win. Oh, this is cool. Busting through some windows. I like that one. That one's really cool. Next up, Spidey hanging from a helicopter. I've never seen any of this art before. It's so amazing. So cool. You're probably getting tired of me saying that. Sorry. All right, we got a kick to the base of a bug guy. I think that looks like it's a bug guy. Centipede dude. All right, sweet. Then here we got. Oh, come on! I know the name. I know that's it. It's a goober. It's a goober, but that's not the right word for this one. There's something for his little electronic spider, like gadgets, and I'm forgetting the name. All right, that one's cool. This is a classic one. Like it. And then we got a saber-toothed tiger, obviously. Ooh, twinkle in the Spidey eye. That's a profile picture. I might have to update my profile image in the Discord to this guy. Look at that one. He's giving you the eye, the Spidey eye. And then we've got Motorbike Man, just doing what he does. Maybe he's a courier, bringing you the Uber Eats. Ooh, look at this. We got a Doc Ock, a recognizable character, a villain that I've actually seen before. 1978 Japanese Doc Ock. Sick outfit. And then we've got a lizard with a cool cathedral-looking helmet and a lipstick weapon, it appears. He will put makeup all over your face, so watch out. And then, all right, we got Spidey at night, kind of looking over the edge of the ledge. Very cool. And then we've got, ooh, I can tell we're getting into the mech lords here. He's got his sword out. Pretty sweet. Oh, that one's good. Oh, he's actually got. I didn't realize he had this Spider-Man web on his on his on his torso here. I wonder if Spider-Man's supposed to be in there, like controlling this guy like a Power Ranger. Let me know in the comments if you know. Um, ooh, that guy's cool. Look at his weird slit on the top of his head. Ooh, ooh. Oh man. Oh, I love it. It's kind of like the it's like Spider-Man about to become a werewolf or something. I mean, it kind of feels like Black Suit a little bit. But Black Suit's not till '84, right? So this is like Black Suit before the Black Suit. But very cool the silhouette here. I like this one. It's barely Spider-Man. Like you wouldn't necessarily know that's Spider-Man if it weren't for like the webbing underneath his armpits here. You can see it just a bit. And then we got another Birdman. Oh, two of them, but they're getting webbed. They don't stand a chance. Oh, that's cool. So this one's like just, yeah, no head Spidey making contact with the wall. Maybe it's the side of the wall. Maybe it's like that. Probably how I'm supposed to look at it. Ooh, and then we got parachuting Spider-Man. Amazing. And finally, we got this. So good. So good. The back's probably got the discoloration on the top and the bottom. Yep. It does. But it still looks so cool. That is awesome. All right. That's it, man. Man. So I'm talking to one person. All of you on YouTube, all 100 of you someday, after it's been on the internet for a long time. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed checking us out. This is the Karuta card set from 1978, Spider-Man, brought to you by me, not your standard YouTuber. So hopefully you had a good time watching it, and I'll catch you at some other point in time. Take it easy. Bye.